on the other side of the world, the benefit of the hunter-gatherer diet is being investigated.
A lot of what we've learned from hunter-gatherer diets is a window into how our ancestors ate for most of our evolutionary history. It was a high-fiber diet. They definitely had treats like meat and honey, but those things were rare, and their diet was heavily, heavily based on plants. They eat the things that are seasonally available. That's important to maintain our microbial ecosystem.
Doctors Erica and Justin Sonnenberg and their colleagues have been studying the effects of the hunter-gatherer diet on the human microbiome.
Our specialty is studying the gut microbiome, this complex community of microbes that lives in our gut.
We're interested in how the collection of microbes that inhabit our gut influences everything from our immune status to our metabolism to even our moods and behavior through our central nervous system.
Study of the human microbiome is often concerned with the way in which this mini ecosystem can affect human health.
One of the questions that our lab is interested in addressing is, what is a healthy microbiome? In traditional populations, people that live like our ancestors did hundreds of thousands of years ago, hunting and gathering for food, we see a huge increase in diversity, so many more types of species in their gut than are living in the Western gut.
The Hadzabe have among the most diverse human guts on the planet, with almost double the amount of fungi and flora of those living on a Western diet.
What we're realizing now is that the Western microbiome associated with industrialized societies, is probably something that deviates wildly from the community that we evolved with, and may be a community that's actually predisposing us to some of our most common and serious diseases. These are things like heart disease, a lot of autoimmune diseases, things like allergies and asthma, inflammatory bowel diseases, cancers, and most of these are diseases that we just don't see in the Hadza.
Learning from the Hadzabe and making the effort to improve our gut health by rewilding our diet may be a key ingredient in fighting some of the industrial world's most deadly chronic diseases. The diversity of the Hadzabe diet comes from their connection to the environment and a way of life that has endured the ages.